Welcome back to Cars Hub. Buckle up, because Tesla's latest bombshell just dropped, and it's about to rewrite the rules of the EV game. Forget everything you thought you knew about affordable electric cars. Tesla's 2026 Model Q is here to shake up the streets, slashing prices and size while packing a punch that'll leave competitors in the dust. Let's dive into the juicy details leaked straight from Tesla's inner circle. According to top-secret insider reports, Tesla's cooking up a compact electric SUV that's smaller, smarter, and way cheaper than the Model Y. We're talking a jaw-dropping 20% price cut, all while keeping that signature Tesla swagger, killer performance, cutting-edge tech, and a design that screams future. But here's the kicker: this isn't just another EV. It's Tesla's secret weapon to dominate the price wars against China's rising electric car empires. Now, let's break it down. The Model Q is Tesla's answer to drivers who've been begging for a budget-friendly ride without compromising on innovation. Picture this: the same Shanghai factory lines that churned out Tesla's global hits are now retooling to mass-produce this game-changer by 2026. Why the delay from the original 2025 launch? Blame it on Tesla's recent sales slump and cutthroat competition. They're playing chess, not checkers, fine-tuning their strategy to hit harder when the Model Q finally rolls out. But what's under the hood? While Tesla's keeping specs locked tighter than Elon's Twitter DMs, insiders hint at next-level battery tech, stripped-down production hacks, and a design so sleek it'll make the Cybertruck blush. Expect autopilot upgrades, a cockpit loaded with tech even your phone would envy, and a range that'll silence any charge anxiety critics. And let's be real, if Tesla's slashing costs without ditching quality, they're probably rewriting the EV rulebook again. Here's why this matters. Tesla's not just selling a car. They're launching a full-scale assault on the affordable EV market. Chinese brands like BYD and NIO have been eating Tesla's lunch with cheaper models. But the Model Q? It's Tesla's counterpunch, a compact beast designed to win over middle-class families, city drivers, and anyone who thought a Tesla was out of their budget. But wait, can Tesla actually pull this off? Critics are side-eyeing the delayed timeline, but let's not forget, this is the company that turned the Cybertruck from meme to machine. If anyone can balance affordability with innovation, it's Tesla. The real question is, will the Model Q's price tag come with hidden compromises? Or is this the holy grail of electric cars? Proof that you can have it all without remortgaging your house? One thing's for sure, leaks like this Reuters report are rare gold in Tesla's world of smoke and mirrors. Elon might hate anonymous sources, but hey, when the whispers turn into roaring headlines, you know something big's brewing. Keep your eyes peeled for late-night Tesla announcements, cryptic tweets, and maybe even a surprise prototype sighting. So, what's the bottom line? The Model Q isn't just a car. It's Tesla's boldest bet yet to stay king of the EV mountain. By 2026, this compact SUV could turn the entire auto industry upside down, making electric cars as common as iPhones. But until then, the rumor mill's gonna spin faster than a ludicrous mode launch. Stay plugged in, folks. The electric revolution's about to get a whole lot cheaper and a whole lot wilder.